Hi and welcome back to our channel. So in the last video we saw about general health supplements. So these following videos is going to be about workout supplements. So we already established that there are three. So pre-workout, intra-workout and post-workout. So in this video we'll be looking about pre-workout. So first of all, pre-workout you should take enough carbs, protein and fat 30 to 60 minutes before you start your workout. So it's not like after going to the gym. So have it at your home and the time should be minimum 30 minutes, maximum you can push it for 60 minutes duration before your workout. So carbohydrates is your fuel that will help you work out longer, and as you keep burning it will keep giving you energy. Protein, obviously you need protein for protein synthesis to occur and to help repair that breakdown of your muscle tissues. Okay, so first off we'll be starting with beta-alanine. So beta-alanine is a non-essential amino acid, meaning that your body can produce it on its own. So you can take 1.5 grams before working out. It helps in the production of carnosine and it helps in the muscle endurance, so it will help you work out for a longer period of time. So next up is L-carnitine. So L-carnitine converts the fat cells that are in your body into energy while working out. So you can take that before you go to your workouts. So that will help convert the stored energy, and that will help you get leaner. So next up is L-arginine. So it helps in the production of nitric oxide. So meaning it elevates your heart rate and your blood pressure. So you will get a better muscle pump. So if you're one of those guys who goes to the gym and works out very well, but you're unable to feel that muscle pump, then you should try out L-arginine supplement. So next up is coffee. So obviously caffeine, it is a stimulant, okay, and if you don't want to have a coffee, there's an alternative called as pre-workout. So but I have coffee. Coffee is better than pre-workout because pre-workout has very high milligrams of caffeine, and some are unable to sleep even in the night. Even if they have the pre-workout in the morning and go to the gym, they don't get very good sleep later in the day. So if you're someone who suffers from that, you can obviously try coffee. So I have black coffee helps. I have black coffee before my workouts. And then we're going to come back to whey. So there are three types of whey protein. So whey protein isolate, whey protein concentrate and hydrolyzed whey protein. So whey protein is obviously derived from dairy, so that is your milk. So what is the difference between these three? Whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate and hydrolyzed whey protein, WPH. So first we'll be starting with whey protein concentrate. So whey protein concentrate meaning nothing but there is almost 80% of protein present in the physical form in weight. Okay, so 80%. So whey protein isolate meaning there is 90% present, and hydrolyzed whey protein is nothing but, so we all know whey protein digests pretty fast, but hydrolyzed whey protein takes it a step further. So whey protein takes 30 minutes to digest. Hydrolyzed whey protein takes much shorter time than it, because it's already pre-digested with peptide bonds and then it is put in and packed, so it digests even more faster. So this is about your pre-workout supplements. So beta-alanine, L-carnitine, L-arginine, caffeine stimulant products like pre-workout, or you can just have coffee. Then your whey, three types of whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate and whey protein hydrolyzed. And as obviously food, try to keep food as your main source. So like for carbs you can have sweet potatoes, for eggs you can have, for protein you can have eggs, and for fat, like I said, you can have your coconut oil or olive oil or something. So I hope you guys learned something new in this video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, and if you have found this information helpful and you know someone who might need it, please do share it with them also. Thank you.